Unforeseen events can cause power outages, leaving you in the dark. But having a generator can provide peace of mind by keeping the lights on and essential appliances running until power is restored. Portable generators are the most budget-friendly option that provides power for essential needs such as heating, water, and refrigeration. The load they can handle depends on their size.
You are not going to want to just go to the store and pick out any generator. Generators need to fit your home. If you don't have the proper generator that could fit the capacity of the appliances that you're running in your home, it could create a fire hazard.
These generators can be run two ways: by plugging appliances directly into the generator with extension cords, or by installing a transfer switch. Extension cords are potentially hazardous to use. Using the wrong gauge, length, or a worn-out wire can be outright deadly, posing shock and fire hazards. Always make sure if you use them that they are heavy-duty extension cords and in good condition. The best option in terms of power, safety, and convenience is having a transfer switch installed by a licensed electrician. Power transfer systems energize entire circuits instead of appliances. They can power hardwired appliances like air conditioners, furnaces, your well, and lights, depending on the size of the generator you have.
If you don't have a transfer switch installed correctly, there could be back feedback onto the power lines, which means that you're taking the power from that generator and you're putting it back onto our Great Lakes Energy power lines. If there is a down line, there is a potential hazard for someone to get hurt or killed. So stay 25 feet away from any down lines in case of backfeed or any power that's coming back onto our lines.
Now, let's run through the main steps to start your portable generator. Please always consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions and safety guidelines prior to operation. Step 1. Turn your main breaker off. This should always be done first to ensure there is no backfeed. Anyone operating a generator or using power from one should do this. Step 2. Move the generator outside. Never operate your generator inside a building, even if doors or windows are open.
Carbon monoxide poisoning is deadly, so keep your generator 25 feet away from doors, windows, and vents.
Step 3. If you are using an extension cord or a gen cord to connect your generator, turn off your main circuit first. This is very important. Then plug the cords into your generator outside and run the line inside to plug in your appliances. If you are using a transfer system, connect the generator to the transfer switch using a gen cord. Step 4. Check your fuel, refuel if needed, and start your generator. Step 5. If you're using a transfer switch, flip the main breakers in the transfer switch from line to generator power. Ask your electrician to run through this with you when it's installed as well. Now, one at a time, turn on the circuits you want to power.
When you refuel your generator, you're going to want to make sure that the generator is shut down and that it's cooled completely. If it's not cooled completely, it could cause an explosion. If you have a generator, you're going to want to call Great Lakes Energy. We put a note on the account so that we know when our linemen show up, they are aware that you have a generator and it shows up on our system.
When you receive an alert from GLE that your power has been restored, you can follow these steps in reverse to shut down your generator.
Follow these safety tips so that you can keep you, your family, and our employees safe.